this.
Thank you.
It's on right now.
I'll see you underwater.
Go get the film. Oh, there's Mama. Hey, go show where we're at.
We're at Disney World.
At
The pool.
Wilderness Lodge.
And now I'm going to show you underwater again. I'm going to go on the slide and show you that. See you on the slide. We're going to go, me and Tillman are going to go together. Tillman's going to go first. But this will be super fun. If you watched our last video that we did about the slide, that's what we're going on right now. Again. Yep. We're going on it again. So we're going to have so much fun again. And we're going to lay down. Watch Tillman go.
Loved it. Loved every minute of
You
it.
should go on it. You gotta go on it.
I'm not going on right now.
She's super funny and she's super fun. So why don't you go on it?
Tell Mama to go on it. See if she'll go.
I'm not gonna go on it right now.
Boo.
Nah. All right, go on it again.
Okay, go on the slide.
All right, one more time.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go on. And then we just gotta swim around. Woo! But can someone help me?
Here, let's pause this.
Okay, bye.
See you later.
I'm gonna go again.